Good morning, guys. Welcome to today's vlog. Today is Saturday. Ayel's awake, so in a bit magbababa na kami. But praise God that today, well, kaninang madaling araw when she woke up, mga 5:30 or 5, nakapag-poops na siya. So, praise God. Kasi yun yung naging problem sa kanya yesterday. If you watched yung previous vlogs, may kita nyo doon how we struggled yesterday because hindi siya nakapoops. So, today is a Saturday, and Omar will be going later to CCF because he was given the privilege to share his testimony related to what we have gone through recently about my pregnancy, yung hardship. But it's really more focused on the topic this week is about worshiping the Lord despite disappointments. Ganyan. So, him being a worship leader, still doing ministry despite what we've been going through the past how many months. So, siya talaga yung perfect person to share that testimony, to share our story. We're just so grateful to the Lord kasi isa yan sa mga prayers ko. Prayers din namin na mag-testify, ma-share sa mga tao on how God has worked in our lives the past months. Kaya later pupunta siya doon. Tapos tomorrow naman, kami ay, never mind the light ha. Kami naman ay a-attend ng Sunday service. Kasi you'll also share the same testimony sa Sunday service naman by tomorrow. Hindi ko na maintindihan yung buko. Anyway, hindi ko na maintindihan yung buko ko. May mga nakatikwas. So, weird.
Well,
okay guys, ayan, may nakasalang na ako na damit ni Ayel. Anyway, hindi ko pa pala ito na-unbox. But I got this from the garage sale dito lang sa village. Meron kaming Facebook group ng mga, yung ang members is, you know, residents of our village. And may mga nagpo-post doon ng mga binibenta, ganyan. And nakita ko to. This is for only 100 pesos. Tapos 5 pieces siya ng shirts from Uniqlo. Ayan, ganyan siya. Ganito yung mga style ng oversized shirts na gusto ko rin. Aside from like yung t-shirt na t-shirt lang. Yan. So, merong color ganito. Parang orange. Parang rust. Hindi pala siya rust. And then, there's this light pink. Ito nga lang, may stain siya. So, I don't know if matatanggal pa siya. And then, there's this interesting color na hindi ko alam kung anong kulay talaga siya. Pero, iisa lang yung style nila, ha. Para siyang apple green na mint green na sobrang light. Which is good kasi ayoko nang masyadong matingkad na colors. Tapos, meron ding gray. There's a dark gray. And ito sayang, white to pero actually para siyang light blue. Super light blue. Pero ang dami na niyang yellowish na parts. So, I don't know if matatanggal pa to ng Sonrox. Try ko siyang ibabad. If hindi ko matanggal, ibibigay ko kay Mami. Kasi si Mami magaling siya magtanggal ng mga ganitong mga mancha-mancha. So, but anyway, ayan. 5 shirts. I got this for 100 pesos. And Uniqlo pa siya. So, talagang good catch. Hindi talaga ako bumibili ng mga shirts masyado. Kasi nga, una, I have my label, positive label. So, every time naman nagagawa ako ng new designs doon, yung parang sample print na ginagawa ko sa akin na pupunta. So, that's one of the reasons. Second reason is that I just don't feel the need to. But then, lately nga, mayroon akong mga shirts na sobrang, kumbaga, worn out na sila. May mga butas na and everything. So, kinailangan ko na silang i-dispose. And nakita ko naman tong deal na to for 100 pesos, 5 pieces. So, parang sayang naman if hindi ko kukunin, diba? So, anyway, nagbe-blink na yung camera. So, I'm going to charge it first. By the way, nagtotoo ako ngayon ng breast milk. Nagpadala ulit si sis. So, ayan. Yan yung papainom ko kay AL today, the whole day, para makainom ulit siya ng breast milk. And this boy, I don't know what this boy's trip is. What's up with you? What's up?
Hey, I'm just sleepwalking.
Ah, okay. Okay, sige na. Alright, charge ko muna to. BRB. I'm all boy. Okay guys, so it's 4 and obviously the baby is awake. Pero okay lang, masarap yung naging tulog niya kaninang umaga up to mga I think mga past 12, ganyan, 12:30. Kung hindi lang siya kailangan liguan, hindi pa siya magigising. Hindi pa siya gigisingin actually. Pero kailangan niya maligo bago umalis si Omar. So, umalis si Omar today, pupunta siya sa CCF kasi nga today, he's given the privilege to share his testimony sa SNS later yon in the afternoon. And then tomorrow, nga, whole day kami will be at CCF tomorrow. So, hindi ko pa sure kung paano kami bukas kasi I don't know kung kaya namin na whole day kami nandun talaga. Pero kasi lahat ng live services from morning to afternoon. So, meron kasing 9 a.m., 12 noon, and 3 p.m. services on CCF. In case any one of you is wondering or interested to attend one of CCF's Sunday services in the future. So, yun yung current na schedules ng worship service. Since all 3 services mag-testimony siya, hindi namin tuloy alam kung magsistay pa kami doon or ano ba, after ba nung first service uwi na kami, paano ba, hindi ko pa naiisip. Tinanong ko si Mami kung pwede sila umattend. Iniisip ko kasi morning attend kami ng live and then after ng morning service which ends at around mga 10:30 to 11 ganyan, punta kami sa kanila kasi medyo mas malapit yung bahay nila kaysa dito sa bahay namin doon sa CCF Center. And then, so stay kami doon. And then, pag magti-3 na, papahatid ulit kami sa CCF. So, yun sana yung parang magandang setup para kahit paano makahigaman lang si AL or ako or yung mga bata kung gusto nila magpahinga sa kwarto nila mami habang naghihintay ng oras. So, I still don't know. Hindi pa nagre-reply si mami if pwede sila. But that's one of the ideas that I have. So, we'll see. Wala pang final kung paano yung magiging setup bukas. Hey everyone! My name is Ayin. I am a Christian wife and mom of 4. Okay guys, I'm trying! So, nagtatry ako mag-film ngayon ng sit-down video, but ayaw tumigil ni AL mag-ingit-ingit and may tumatahol na naman na aso sa kapitbahay namin. Hindi ko alam kung matutuloy ko itong pag-film na to kasi it's either may background noise na aso or background noise na baby. I also don't have artificial light. So, naka-ano lang yan. Nakabukas yung kortina para maliwanag dito sa pwesto ko. Which, tinry ko siya... tinry ko siya kanina and maganda naman yung register ng ilaw. And nung wait nga, dito ka. Nung ilaw and nung pinaka parang framing, okay sana siya. Pero, ayaw tumigil ni AL mag-umingit-ingit. Ayaw rin niya matulog. Tapos kami aso pa. So, maybe next time. Ako mag-film. Oh, why are you crying? But that's a sit-down video wherein I'm going to share with you a topic na talagang God is convicting me to share about, to talk about. Kasi I know maraming moms ang makaka-relate sa akin sa na-experience ko ngayon na to. So, yun. Abangan nyo na lang guys. But, not sure if I'd be able to film that pa rin today. It's already past 5. Yeah, it's 5:14. So, maya-maya didilim na. Mawawala na yung aking natural light. Such is life, such is life.
As a Christian, I have to live out my worship to God every single day, whatever the circumstances. But no matter how big the problem is, how rough the waves are, or how strong the storm is, I believe that God is stronger.